Hello, this is Pat Walker at MissionWinners.com. We're doing a video review of the top 5 groups. We all know that money goes into leading stocks, leading groups, leading stocks. So I always do this. For the VIPs, I do an in-depth analysis of the top 25 groups. But the top 5 will help just give you a broad brushstroke of it. So group number 1, telecom wireless services. Notice this. Relative strength, 99, leading in a new high ground. These are the leading stocks in the group. Top relative strength and EPS rating combined. And these are the ones percent off high. A lot of times there's overlap here, as you can see in here. But again, this is a leading group. I would know some of these names. Group rank 2. Auto truck replacement parts. And as you can see, this group is also hanging in nicely. You know, we had an awful market decline, and this is hanging in there with a relative strength of 99. Dorman's the horse in this group. Dorman is the leading horse. There might be others in here, but they might trade really thin, and you have to take that into consideration. But right here, auto truck replacement parts, kind of a defensive group, but that's where that's at. Group rank 3, retail wholesale auto parts. Isn't that intriguing? Defensive. Economy gets weak, people hang on to their cars. Try to work on them. O'Reilly, AutoZone, there's leading stocks in that group. You can say, how do you know that? Just taking a look at the relative strength rank. Also, advanced auto parts would be coming in here too. Relative strength. So anyway, there's group rank 3. Here's group rank 4. Beverages, non-alcoholic, drinking your sodas. Starting to pick up a little bit. Really nothing special with this. Notice this. Notice how it fell on heavy volume, and it's rallying back on less volume than it fell on. Group rank 5, commercial services, healthcare, moving up just a little bit, leading stocks in the group, nothing really special, and I'll give you group rank 6. Soap cleaning preparations, kind of defensive, people got to bathe, not smell bad, right? Leading stocks in this group right here. Those are the top 6 groups. Again, for the VIP members, I do in-depth analysis on the top 25 groups. Why? Because we know, it's documented, it's a fact. Leading groups, leading stocks. That's where the money flows. So I hope this helps you. Just a quick overview, and I thank you.